Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide or exclude the photo on Aura photo frame in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your Aura application. Then you need to select your Aura digital frame. Afterwards, you need to go to your photos and select the image that you want to hide. Now you can choose this particular option that says hide or exclude from slideshow, and this is going to remove the photo from the display, but it will keep saved in your account. Now if you don't see the hide option, you can use the remove from frame option, and this is going to remove the photo from that specific frame but does not delete it from your account. Now on the frame as well, you can just simply tap and hold the touch bar in order to open the menu. Now when the menu appears in front of you, you can navigate to the remove option, or on the top as well, you are going to see this type of hide option. So when you tap on it and when you confirm it, you can also hide or remove the photo from the frame. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.